are here. Give it up for the ever so versatile Shahid Kapoor. Somebody gotta make some noise for him. We've got the supremely talented and gorgeous Pooja Hegde, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, make some noise for her. Amazing Roshan Andrews sir is here, ladies and gentlemen. Alert fan following the boss. And the super cool producer sahab, ladies and gentlemen, Siddharth Roy Kapoor sahab ke liye taaliyan. And of course Umesh Kumar Bansal sahab hamare saath hai, ladies and gentlemen. CBO, Z Studios and Z Music, give it up for him. Alright, so here we are, and of course, we're waiting for there she is. Come on, we gotta make some noise for her. It's a very gorgeous lady. And साथ में we have the very handsome Pawel Gulati, ladies and gentlemen. Gulati साहब आइए.
वरुण गिम्बल से शुक्र और 2x या 5x से फिक्स कर लो. अगर तो दो में नहीं मिला ना तो एक जगह फिक्स कर वो तो दो में मत कर.
Alright, here we go. Time to get down to some serious entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. This is gonna be out of the world. This is gonna be spectacular with this amazing team that's already here. And without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Z Studios and Roy Kapoor Films, I'd like to welcome each one of you. Itna hangama. It's already a full house. ऐसा लग रहा है देवा लग गई है थिएटर्स में और हम सब लोग बस देखने के लिए आतुर हो रहे हैं. है कि नहीं मान? Right? You're all excited, right? So what we'll do is the stars are here. माहौल सेट हो चुका है. हम सब super excited हैं. तो yes, श्रेयस के इस हल्ले गुल्ले के साथ for each one of you. All eyes on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it.
बुड्ढे चल देखो बैठा बैठा बैठा.
पुराने हमारे फंक्शन मेकर्स के हमारे भाई पे गोली चलाई और उसे मार दिया.
ये जो इंटेंसिटी है ना तेरी, ये तेरी ऑसमनेस है. गिव इट अप फॉर शाहिद कपूर, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. सर क्या कर रहे हैं? ईच एंड एवरी फ्रेम ओवर देयर इज माइंड ब्लोइंग एक्चुअली. मुझे भी डर लग रहा था. मैंने कहा देवा अंदर आ गया तो इधर क्या डायलॉगबाजी कर रहा है, मेरे से करेगा तू? बताओ क्या तेरे को. ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज लेट्स जस्ट कट टू द चेस. जिस काम के लिए आए वो कर लेते. हाउ डिड वी ऑल लव द ट्रेलर? लाइट निकलता है, लव निकल रहा है अंदर से. Of course, देवा आला रे आला और जोरदार आला. What we'll do is we'll invite on stage the people who made this possible, and at the helm of all of this is this brilliant filmmaker, ladies and gentlemen. Malayalam cinema / Indian cinema के gem है. I think what he's done for Indian cinema वो अपने आप में एक अलग लेवल है. And we have to talk about his epic. Sir, I'm sorry, अच्छे से I hope pronounce कर पाऊँ. कायम कुलम कोचुनी. Kayama Kulam Kochuni. Alright, so this man is all set for his big Hindi feature film debut, ladies and gentlemen. Director साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. भाई जिस तरह से इन्होंने इंडियन सिनेमा का नाम रोशन किया है ना, क्या बोलूं. गिव इट अप फॉर रोशन एंड्रूज साहब, ladies and gentlemen. So please मंच पर आइए. मैं देख रहा था सर, the visionary, the most amazing, Roshan sir. So a lot of people were talking to you outside. They were like थोड़ा ऐसे कि इनको गुस्सा नहीं दिलाना है. इनके अंदर देवा आ गया तो क्या होगा? So please एक तो आप center stage लीजिए. Talk to us about Deva, so first things first. I knew it. I was about to ask that. She just told us it's your autobiography, sir.
Good evening, all. See, I'm a movie buff. I'm learning cinema. Whatever I learn, I upgrade myself. I implement, and Deva is that. And for Deva, I can't talk much because it's a thriller cinema. It's releasing on 31st January. It's my love to my brother Shahid Kapoor. I can promise one thing. A lot of people comes and promise a lot of things I have seen. But this promise is from my heart. I can promise this will be another Shahid Kapoor for sure. Thank you.
He said it. He said it with all the intensity in his eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, talking about heart, at the heart of this film is this creative powerhouse, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most exceptional producers, और इससे पहले भी जब उन्होंने फिल्में दी हैं वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे वर्ल्ड वाइड छा गई हैं. एंड इससे पहले शाहिद कपूर के साथ हैदर, कमीने देने के बाद he is all set to rule the box office with Deva. Give it up for Siddharth Roy Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. एक वर्ड होता है जो इसके साथ बहुत अच्छे से जाता है. Welcome, sir. Sir, एक चीज तो है, of course, whatever we've seen on the big screen from Roy Kapoor films, it has always been different. बहुत हटके होता है. This time ये एकदम मास मसाला कुछ लाए हैं. शाहिद कपूर like never before. आपकी personality के साथ सर नहीं जाता है. Like Deva is like completely opposite to yours is what I feel. Talk to us about it.
I'm glad you feel that way. It means I'm a good actor myself. But I think this is truly the brainchild of the man's on my left. It's his vision completely, and we've all worked in service of his vision. From the time that we met, probably 8 years ago, he just reminded me. It's been quite a journey. On that journey and along the way, there have been so many people who've come on board, from writers to HODs who helped us to realize this vision. And it was when Shahid loved the story and came on board that the film actually came together. But I think it's been an incredible creative experience for all of us, the whole production team. Roshan has seen Bombay through eyes that none of us who've lived and grown up in the city have seen it from. So that's incredible. He's presented the city as almost another character. And the film, I think, is going to work pretty much everywhere where we can reach out to audiences. So our colleagues at Zee who've supported us from the start intend to take it far and wide. And we're looking forward to the 31st of Jan.
Lovely. Thank you so much, sir. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Of course, he talked about these studios, and we must acknowledge the vision and support of this remarkable leader who's here with us, Mr. Umesh Kumar Bansal, CBOZ Studios and Zee Music. And all I want to say is, they've had a brilliant 2024 और 25 की शुरुआत भी जोरदार हुई है. With Deva, I'm sure, sir, कई नए records टूटने और बनने वाले हैं. What do you have to say on this journey, sir?
We've got brilliant makers here with us. We've got the star power. Our job is limited to taking this to the screens and ensuring that audiences have the access to it. So what we are working on is getting more footfalls, and this is the high point for our lineup in this year. The biggest one for us, and I hope everyone enjoys. We are looking forward to all your love, all your support. I'm very sure you'll enjoy because we've enjoyed it thoroughly.
Under your leadership, I'm sure, sir, these studios gonna rock. जैसा पिछले साल था, ये उससे भी ज़्यादा बेहतर होने वाला है. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being here. Now it's time to invite this brilliant actor, ladies and gentlemen. Digital या फिर films. जब भी इनको देखते हैं, हमें पता है यार content दमदार होगा. Give it up for Pavel Gulati, ladies and gentlemen. There he comes. Welcome. Handsome ने देख के मैं कह रहा हूँ गुलाटी साहब कैसे हैं आप? पूरी सबसे बनानी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे. Talk to us about that particular scene, and in fact the entire thing that we saw on that big screen. As I said, each and every scene is a master class in filmmaking.
It's all because of you, by the way.
our school teacher, our class visited him. And honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी picture है. And it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid and Pooja. And I'm really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film. And thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film. And it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic, by the way.
टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटेंसिटी, डांस में इतनी इंटेंसिटी और ऐसी खतरनाक वाली कौन डाल सकता है यार?
Only Shahid, and we've been talking about it for the longest time. कि Shahid, when are you dancing? And we were talking about it in the vanity कि हम when are you gonna dance? And I think you've seen it in Bhasad Macha. It's fantastic.
क्या भसड़ मचाई है, क्या भसड़ मचाई है पूरी टीम ने. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, one more time ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to invite on stage someone who's a true queen of crossover. South India, North India, West, East, किधर भी चले जाओ, हर एक लैंग्वेज में इन्होंने कमाल किया है. She is supremely talented and the most gorgeous. Pooja Hegde. Welcome, Pooja. Thank you so much for being here. All right. तुमने बाकियों को माइक दिया था क्या यहाँ आके? Chance पे डांस. Anyway, Pooja, thank you so much for being here. And whatever we've seen.
My film, so. Yeah.
Of course.
Thank
Give it up
you
for
for being here, though.
Of course. You know. Thank you, Arma.
Sorry, I'm in Dia character right now, so.
I know. Talking about that,
Yeah.
you're playing a journalist, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे journalist बहुत भसड़ मचाते हैं. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that I have really explored this newfound respect for journalists, because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Dia is the perfect takkar to Dev's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that, he's being questioned about, which is, the line which he's saying that police ya mafia is written by Dia because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Dia. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
The softer side is so kadak. तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We'll get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक performance, फिर चाहे charming hero वाली हो, romantic hero वाली हो, intensity या dramatic वाली हो, this man has killed it every single time. And इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी का सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट सुपरस्टार ही is. Give it up for Shahid Kapoor. He is irresistible, the charming and the powerful Shahid Kapoor. आला रे आला, देवा आला. And क्या energy लेके आया है. शायद it's a full house. It's like already, सब कुछ हाउसफुल हो चुका है. And they all are here to meet you, and of course the entire team. क्या बोलेंगे अब after we've seen the trailer?
Well, this is 3 years. 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have, from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film, to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions, and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few.
But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So, rest is up to you.
So just one last thing. We'll do a quick picture and then of course we'll take the questions. लेकिन उससे पहले, talk to us about that intensity because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना भी, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant dancer. लेकिन how do you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चल रही थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
Actually, as an actor, आप हमेशा wait करते हो कि आपको कुछ next level पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिलेगा. ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूंगा. होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर. लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन there is also a lot of presence and aura of this character. So there is also an overwhelming personality जो देवा की है, which gives him that charisma and that star quality. So it needed to be a combination of both those elements. And आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फायदा है. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है. आप लोग देखो. Tell us what you feel. We've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face. Like, how? And even the first half, where he's like giving his lines I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's on the scene. But it was so eerie and like I think you're definitely gonna see a new Shahid because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense and it's just amazing.
It's because Pooja, I am Mafia.
Okay. See, I have a lot of questions, but before that, we'll do a quick picture with this team, right? So we'll do that and then we'll take your questions.
Sasha.
अरे खड़ा
क्या बात है सर.
बाहुबली.
मुझे खुद यकीन नहीं. It's like good. I just do that. ज़्यादा ही दिमाग है. We good? Thank you so much. Can we quickly get the chairs, please? Thank you so much. Anji. Question is for Shahid, and I believe Aruna from Bollywood Society is going to ask that question. Ji Aruna.
This side. Shahid, this side. Aruna from Bollywood Society.
Hi Aruna, how are you?
I am good, how are you? So Shahid, my question is for you. कि आपने कई एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ फिल्मों में काम किया है, डांस सीक्वेंसेस किया है, डांस म्यूजिक किया है, तो ऐसी कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस जिसके साथ आपको बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्टी महसूस नहीं हुआ इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांसिंग?
ये बैठी हैं मेरे साथ पूजा हेगड़े. इनके साथ बिल्कुल डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई मुझे डांस करके. बहुत मजा आया. हमने कट के बाद ये वाला स्टेप भी किया. दिस इज दैट पूजा. Yeah. So she loves dancing, and so do I. So we had a lot of fun on the sets of Hasar Macha.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Aruna. All right, for Pooja, we have Kunal Kothari from IWM Buzz.
Hello, hi, this is right here.
Hi Pooja, first of all congratulating the entire team, the trailer looks fantastic. And Pooja, my question for you is, having played, as you mentioned, and we know that you're playing a journalist, in the film, and the kind of, the vibe of the film is obviously intense, as you also rightly mentioned. My question is that when you play the character, and there were obviously intricacies that come with playing a journalist, what was the kind of brief given to you that it has to match the intensity, or yours is a more restrained form of making sure that you become an aid to Shahid's character, or it's more like I'll be the propeller of whatever happens in this character?
I mean, I've always been.
Hey, bye. Audio.
Check.
Yes.
I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character. But I think the brief, in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought I love the intensity and I like the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met, we thought we'll meet for 5 minutes, and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was, I want to see Diya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself. Be strong but not rude, and she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. I don't know if that answers the question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today, who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope, Roshan, so I've done justice to Pooja or Diya, I have followed your brief.
Thank you. All right, for Siddharth sir, we have Sejal here. She has a question for him from Dainik Bhaskar. Sejal. Hi.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Sejal from Delhi Bhaskar. Yeah, my question is what inspired you to produce Deva, and how did casting process go?
Well, I think the story is what inspired me most. So from the time that I met Roshan, it's a subject that we've been discussing from the very first time that we met, and the story is incredible, and that inspired me. And then secondly, watching his filmography, which is so incredible. He's such an iconic filmmaker from Malayalam cinema, the films that he's made. So the confidence that one is the story, then two is the ability of a director to deliver on that story. His filmography inspired that confidence completely. And so that's how the process began. And then when we went to Shahid, and he felt exactly the same way, that's how the whole project came together. So, but it started with the story.
All right, for Roshan sir, Jia from Hungama. Hi Jia. You have a mic?
Hi, Roshan sir.
Hi.
First of all, good afternoon. My question for you is, since the process of filming Deva was for 3 years, in the last 3 years there are a lot of thriller and action films that are coming from both sides, north and south. Some have performed exceptionally well, but some did not. So when you were making the film, did that environment was affecting you while you were making, or was any decision was taken while filming on that fact?
I always believe in myself. I believe the instinct of mine. So action film, whether the other films run or not run, that's not bother me. For me, Deva, the actions in this film, all the actions I wrote myself. So the actions should be the part of the screenplay. It's not for the sake of the action. We've not added any action sequence. So all the action sequence is the part of the screenplay story structure. So I don't worry about other films run or not that. For me, Deva is important. If you people are enjoying it, I'm quite happy. That's it.
All right, the next one is for Mr. Umesh Bansal, Narendra Bhutani from Punjab Kesari. Sir.
My question is to Shahid. Can I take my question, Shahid? Ete, on your right. शायद हमने आपकी हैदर देखी और आज ये ट्रेलर देखा, दोनों में बहुत मजा आया। कुछ आप बता सकते हैं दोनों रोल्स के बारे में, कुछ क्या डिफरेंट, हाउ डिफरेंट इट इज?
सर हेयर कट सेम है, बाकी कुछ भी सेम नहीं है सर, बट शायद उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ी सी याद आई। बट इसमें एक्चुअली दो लुक्स हैं देवा की, जो एक थोड़ी सी बहुत सटली रोशन सर ने एडिट में डाली है, क्योंकि जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में आता है तो ये हैज़ टू बी क्लीन शेवन, और दूसरी लुक है जो रगेड रफ, किसी की नहीं सुनता टाइप, सनकी टाइप, जो पुलिस वाला गुंडा टाइप, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू से, उस टाइप का एक लुक है। लेकिन लुक्स जो है वो तो सिर्फ इनिशियली आपको एक फील देने के लिए होता है, उसके आगे तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट है, कहानी का मूवमेंट है, कैरेक्टर का टॉप लेयर होता है, लेकिन फिर सब टेक्स्ट होता है, थर्ड लेयर होता है, तो इसके अंदर काफ़ी कुछ है। ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड है। ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं, जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड आई थिंक रोशन ऑल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क। तो एक चीज़ होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीज़ें कनेक्टेड होती हैं, तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज़ थी, उसका जो मूड था, पर उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे। इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है, वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है। तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, बिग राउंड ऑफ applause फॉर अमित एंड केन, who is also the entire team is here. तो वो चीज़ें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकंड और थर्ड लेयर है। आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और प्रोमो में बड़ी आवाज़ हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा। कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं, तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूँगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं, ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है, दैट्स द रीजन आई डिड दिस फिल्म, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग, बट ये उस कैटेगरी में आती है फिल्म जिसके बारे में आप देखने के बाद भी बात कर सकते हैं, शायद सेकेंड टाइम भी देखने का मन करेगा उसको पूरी तरह समझने के लिए, बट साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, कहीं पे भी पेस स्लो नहीं होती है, और बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ल्ड है फिल्म की और कैरेक्टर की हेड स्पेस की। तो फॉर मी दैट इज व्हाट देवा इज, इट इज द हेड स्पेस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट अराउंड बाय रोशन, एंड द थ्रिलर एस्पेक्ट व्हिच कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप्स यू वंडरिंग कि हो क्या रहा है। दैट्स व्हाट इट इज।
थैंक यू सो मच। नरेंद्र सर, योर क्वेश्चन।
हेलो सर, पहली बात तो ये पंजाबी और बनिया, ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाता है ना सर, कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाता है, एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि आप दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है कपूर्स एंड बंसल्स का, वो धूम मचाने वाला है। सो हर एक पंजाबी को एक बनिया चाहिए होता है जो बिजनेस संभाल सके, राइट? तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत तगड़ा मुझे दिख रहा है। अभी हमने टीजर देखा है, ट्रेलर भी देख लिया है और धूम मचाने वाला है, आई एम डैम श्योर। सो सर, उमेश सर, ये आपसे सवाल है कि कैसा है रिश्ता आपका पंजाबियों के साथ? मतलब पूरा जो कॉन्फिडेंस आपको दिख रहा है, सबको दिख रहा है, आपके हिसाब से आप कब जुड़े इनके साथ में इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, एंड हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद द कपूर्स?
आप पंजाबी हो?
हाँ जी, आप पंजाबी हो,
इसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है। कमाल की बात है, फिल्म मेकर मलयालम है लेकिन ये बंदा पंजाबी घुसा ही ले आया। यही हमारी बेस्ट चीज होती है ना?
पंजाबी आ गए हो।
एंटरटेनिंग क्वेश्चन आए हुए बट मैं सिर्फ ये ऐड करना चाहूँगा, यहाँ ऑल इंडिया है, अगर आप स्टेज पे देखेंगे it's been a great experience. Siddharth comes with a lot of experience in the industry. He's already has the stature and he has the portfolio, जिसमें हम लोगों को quality check is great, creative sense is great. He knows which projects to mount. He's been a partner whom we have fully relied on, and we've gotten the great results that you've seen on the screen. But I would again say, ये पैन इंडिया फिल्म है। हमने नहीं सोचा था ये, कि ये पंजाबी और बनिया मिक्स हो रहे हैं, but you pointed out right. So hopefully this is the winning combination.
Thank you so much. All right. So we have a question for Pavel from Kunal from India Forums. रिश्ते बहुत कराते होगे आप ऐसे, है ना? इसका
Yeah, hi again. Pavel, it's here. Right here. My hand is moving. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. No worries. Hi. Firstly, my actually question is for both of you and you and Shahid as well, because there was a glimpse, obviously, towards the end of the trailer, which is, visible, the kind of, there will be a bond that the both of you share. And I think Shahid is known for, his romance moments over the years, in his films and shows. So I want to know that, the kind of experience in that context, that, whatever is the dynamic that you'll have in the film, but how does it translate off screen as well, and how has it been for the both of you?
I think my whole मेरा पूरा जो खाना था सेट का वो स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय शाहिद. Shahid has fed me around I think 10-15 दिन. He has got food for me. Yeah, सबको नहीं मिला. So Shahid used to get me a full dabba, like a whole buffet. हाँ, मेरे घर पे कुक नहीं था उस दिन 10 दिन के लिए. So Shahid was kind enough to get food for me, which was lovely. And मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वो भी ऐड हो गया. So nicely done. But I think our romance on screen was fantastic because we got along very, very well off screen. I met Shahid I think before we shot. 10 days before I think Diwali पे कहीं पर and I told Shahid कि did you know that time I was doing the film? Shahid knew. But that's the time I told him that I've grown up, copying his dance steps, and I joined Shamak because Shahid was in Shamak. So always been a big fan of his. Always been a big fan of Roshan sir. And Siddharth sir, I just want to say you were the first person who called me after Thappad release. So that was the biggest thing that I could get a call from you. So I've worked with this wonderful crew, and Shahid was literally the backbone of it.
I wanted to ask you, what was the vibe, what was the brief which Roshan sir gave to you, and what did you tell him? Because it's his Bollywood debut in the film debut.
Well, I think, it was about the story really. There was no brief other than him sort of, like narrating the story of the film. And it blew us all away. It blew me away, it blew our team away, Malvika, Insia, all our whole team from Roy Kapoor Films. Loved it and decided that we had to make it. And that's really where the journey began. So he didn't really have to give me much more of a brief than just saying what the story was.
All right. The next one is from... Sorry.
Why on the set was hard, bro. Hard.
All right. The next one is from Divya, India Forum se. Divya, where are you? Ji.
Hello, my question is to Pooja. So we have seen different roles that you have been doing in recent years, and this one also looks completely different from the rest. So I want to know firstly that how is this, trying new roles and the versatility going for you? And secondly, as when he introduced you, you are known as the queen of crossovers. So what do you feel about that?
Thank you so much. I just felt like I was at that point in my career where the roles I do now will define me who I am as an actor. And I just wanted to take versatile roles like the other film of mine where I'm playing of very different characters compared to this. I think by that he means that I'm working in many languages about the crossover. I think it's a reflection of the films that I've done, and I've just always believed that to go wherever the content is good, and I've gone by my gut feeling. But my journey has always been it's not just been that one pan-India film. I think it's because I've worked in Telugu, I've worked in Tamil, I've worked in Hindi, and I've been loved and appreciated and accepted, which is a privilege, I feel. It's an honor, and it's truly humbling and makes me work harder. So thank you so much, and I don't know, maybe I'm a Mumbai girl who started my career in Tamil Nadu and got love and appreciation in Telugu, but I am from Karnataka originally, so maybe that helps too.
All right, Rahul from the Filmy Charcha. आइए.
अरे नल्ले नल्ले लोग
हाय शाहिद योर सेंटर पूजा आप दोनों से कॉमन क्वेश्चन है कुछ सालों में देखा गया है कि आमतौर पे बॉक्स ऑफिस नंबर का इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है यहाँ तक कि हिट फिल्मों की एक सर्टिफिकेट मानी जाती है बॉक्स ऑफिस को आमतौर पे प्रोड्यूसर्स इसका प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा लेते हैं क्या एज एन एक्टर आप भी कभी प्रेशर लिया है आपने या एक्टर को भी लेना चाहिए आप दोनों का कॉमन क्वेश्चन
I saw something beautiful the other day. It says that as actors, we should be allowed to fail. Okay, because only when we fail, we will be able to give you something new. Otherwise, we get into the pattern of following the trend and following what क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. So I concentrate on what can I bring new, and that's where I am at in my life, and I can only answer for myself. I think अगर हम देखें कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, like. You know, I don't know, like, box office is very important for sure as a producer, and I hope that Sid Roy Kapoor is raking in all the money for this film. But at the same time, I feel like it's not a pressure that I should take because as long as I do the job that has been commissioned to me right and fair enough, that pushes me more than box office numbers. और बहुत बार हम देखते हैं कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है पर बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नहीं चली पर 10 साल के बाद it's like a super hit film and we are like अरे why didn't this film really work at the box office so as long as you make something that lasts for generations and people come back to you and say that was a really good film that is what I strive for.
शायद तेरा सवाल क्या है कि मतलब पिक्चर पैसे बनाएगी उसका प्रेशर लो मतलब क्या है
नहीं क्वेश्चन सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है कि आमतौर पे प्रोड्यूसर का ये प्रेशर होता है क्या एज एन
पे होता है प्रोड्यूसर पे का पैसा होता है लेकिन प्रेशर सब पे होता है यू नो बिकॉज नोबडी वांट्स टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अनसक्सेसफुल फिल्म ये तो कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा और आप फिल्में ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हो ऑडियंस आएगी नहीं तो दिल तो टूटता है यू नो और बहुत बार टूटता है और वही हमारा लाइक शी इज सेइंग यू नो वी फेल एंड वी विल फेल और कोशिश हमेशा ये होती है कि जितने लोगों को आप फिल्म दिखा सको आप दिखाओ लेकिन हर फिल्म की कहानी अलग होती है उसकी रेंज अलग होती है अगर आप सिर्फ इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से फिल्में बनाओगे कि ये कितने लोग देख सकते हैं तो आप एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन कभी कभी लिमिटेड हो जाओगे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप या तो 100 मीटर की रेस भाग सकते हो उसमें सिर्फ वही बनाओ अभी जो चल रहा है बनाओ अगर आपको लंबी रेस भागनी है तो आपको अपने आप को इवॉल्व करना पड़ेगा आपको अलग अलग चीजें करने की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी जैसे आप देखते हो ना क्रिकेट में बड़े सारे नए प्लेयर्स आते हैं IPL में बहुत सारा अच्छा खेलते हैं फिर इंटरनेशनल टूर पे जाते हैं तो नहीं चलते क्योंकि उन्होंने एक ही चीज के लिए प्रैक्टिस की है फिर वो 2 साल स्ट्रगल करते हैं फिर वो टेस्ट मैच खेलना सीखते हैं फिर वो 50 ओवर्स खेलना सीखते हैं फिर वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में साउथ अफ्रीका में खेलना सीखते हैं तो वो लॉन्ग जर्नी होती है फिल्म की है ना तो अगर आपको एज एन आर्टिस्ट ग्रो करना है कि आप 30, 35, 40 साल काम कर सकें तो आपको अलग अलग तरह की चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी उसमें हिट्स भी होंगी फ्लॉप्स भी होंगी लेकिन आपकी जर्नी ग्रो करेगी you know, but of course, every film we do, we wanted to do extremely well, and we do our best to do that. And Devatu, from the beginning, we are saying is a film for the audience, for the masses. We made it to entertain you, but it's an intelligent film. हमारे डायरेक्टर मलयालम है.
फिल्म अच्छी है, बुरी है, बॉक्स ऑफिस से किस हद तक जज करना सही है?
यार तू ही बता दे. हम तो यहाँ पे सबको खुश करने आए बेटा उसके आगे अब you know, we try our best to make everybody happy. Yeah, but the film should be for the audience.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
शाहिद मेरा सवाल आपसे है शारिक शेख फ्रॉम INS यहाँ पे शायद यहाँ पे शायद जैसे आप फिल्म में देख रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है काफ़ी जो है मतलब कि फिल्म में आप दिखा रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस काफ़ी काम कर रही है तो यहाँ पे भी हम देख रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है इतना काम कर नहीं रही है और रिसेंटली जो है सैफ अली खान अटैक जो हुआ है उसके ऊपर एक रिएक्शन देखना चाहते हैं
Pulse आ जाएगी pulse. Okay, Amar, I believe you were asking some question.
Hi, Umesh sir, my question is for you. How does the slate for 2025 looks like for the studio? What's coming up?
We just announced the slate for the first 3 months. तो पहले 3 महीने का स्लेट हमने दिखाया है. हमारी कोशिश ये है कि ऑडियंस को जो हर फ्राइडे थिएटर्स में मूवी देखने की एक हैबिट थी उसको वापस लाएं. वो सही कंटेंट से आ सकती है और सही फ्रीक्वेंसी से आ सकती है। वहाँ पे देवा हमारे लिए एक हाई पॉइंट है। हमने उससे पहले भी 2-3 फिल्में रिलीज की हैं, 2-3 बाद में भी आ रही है क्रॉस लैंग्वेजेस। सो द आइडिया इज टू गेट द ऑडियंसेस बैक टू द थिएटर्स एंड लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दिस हाई पॉइंट इन दिस ईयर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Prachi Sharma has a question for Siddharth, sir, I believe. Ji.
Hello, sir. Firstly, congratulations to the entire team. The trailer looks amazing. Sir, my question to you is that we've seen Heather and we've seen Kamine, and both of you are coming after, you and Shahid are working together after a very long time. So how was the experience?
I think the experience working with Shahid is always quite incredible because of the extent to which he gets involved in every project. I mean, the fact is that he gives his life to it. And from Heather to Kamine, I think this is the 6th film that we're working on together. But the intensity hasn't dimmed at all, which I think is incredible across more than a 20-year career. So the fact that he's able to keep that level of intensity and involvement and passion for what he does, I think inspires everyone around as well. And I think in Roshan, he met his match in terms of the level of intensity. So when he says it was a hard on-set experience, I think he really meant it. But he meant it, I think, finally in the best way possible, which is that hard experience sometimes leads to great results.
All right, so that's all we have for you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a quick photo op.
Arun.
Mike.
देवा आ गया अगर आपके अंदर रियल लाइफ में
मेरे अंदर देवा आ गया
रियल लाइफ
बेटा 1 साल आया हुआ ही था मजा में तो खुद आया
आप क्या करेंगे जो आए दिन एक्टर्स पर अटैक करते हैं
नहीं जो आप कह रहे हैं वो बहुत ही सैड इंसिडेंट है एंड हम सब कंसर्न हैं, हम सब फ्रेटर्निटी से बहुत कंसर्न है। आपने इनडायरेक्टली पूछा, आप डायरेक्टली पूछते ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्टेबल लगता, यू नो, बिकॉज वी होप दैट सैफ्स हेल्थ इज़ बेटर एंड वी होप दैट ही इज़ फीलिंग बेटर। और आई थिंक हम सब बहुत ही शॉक थे जो हुआ उसके साथ, इतनी पर्सनल स्पेस में बहुत ही मुश्किल चीज़ है अब्जॉर्ब करना मुंबई जैसे शहर में। यहाँ पे आई एम श्योर पुलिस पूरी कोशिश कर रही है, ऐसा होता नहीं है वहाँ पे। बहुत ही मुंबई सेफ शहर है। यहाँ पे आप प्राउडली कहते हैं कि 2 बजे 3 बजे भी अगर आपका कोई फैमिली मेम्बर, कोई लेडीज़ हो, वो अगर रोड पर जाएँ तो बहुत सेफ रहता है। तो बहुत ही शॉकिंग इंसिडेंट है एंड वी आर होपिंग दैट यू नो उनकी हेल्थ जल्दी रिकवर करे। वी आर होपिंग एंड प्रेइंग फॉर हिम ऑल द टाइम।
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for this team one more time. It's time for a final photo op with this entire team. We'll quickly
ओ बेटा भाई अरे बैठ चुके अरुण ये वो ना बात है